Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Tuesday 9 September 2025. Today is a Daily Lotto single prediction numbers: number 4, number 7, number 10, number 29, number 36. Today is a Daily Lotto single prediction number repeat: number 4, number 7, number 10, number 29, number 36. Now yesterday Lotto second prediction numbers: number 9, number 13, number 21, number 31, number 36. Today yesterday Lotto second prediction number repeat: number 9, number 13, number 21, number 36. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next